Friday, the 7th of August, 2026. Mason Mill Park, DeKalb County, Old Tennis Center. Tennis Center is up the hill there, back behind us. This used to be the old Old Decatur Ga Waterworks. We used to go down and cross the track right here. Now they've made a bridge over the track. We missed a train by about 2 minutes. I have video when these buildings were still pretty much, well, they weren't intact, but they were pretty much the skeletons at least. Now they've crumbled. Got a couple of the water tanks that are still pretty much intact, but for the most part, stuff is gone. But yeah, see, the road used to go down much lower, and we'd cross the railroad tracks right here, down there. Now this trail will end up taking you on over to Emory by the VA hospital. They have to enclose these bridges because people are crazy. I don't know what the thing is about the locks. Yeah, but underneath that bridge down there, that trestle, the creek coming out of Glen Lake Park comes in right there. And then this is South Peachtree Creek. It comes up and then goes on over and crosses Scott Boulevard. And then Burnt Fork Creek comes down North Druid Hill, well, not North Druid Hills Road, I guess, comes down Lawrenceville Highway and comes in and connects to the South Fork of Peachtree Creek. Can't see it much here. This is an old cistern used to hold water. So we got pictures of this before you, like, while you could see all of this stuff. Pictures. Don't have much video. We weren't into video back then. But I've got some very good pictures of this park in the snow, winter. I can hear the creek. The water is very stained. We've had a lot of rain. It's real muddy. Well, this wood is starting to show its age. They've replaced some of it, but yeah, it looks like quite a few boards that could be replaced now. They need to be using the lumber from Sykes Story up there. And
you know, he's like, oh,
some of them.
My eyes! Like, I'm gonna be blind. And we all were like, I mean, it was hilarious.
There you can see the creek there, and I'm pretty sure Burnt Fork and Peachtree Creek have already joined right there, but if not, they will join right down here, and then the creek from Glen Lake Park comes in right there before it goes under that trestle. And down through the woods you can see another round holding tank. How long is this? These videos need to be kept at about 5 minutes. Okay, 5:23. The file sizes are so large, we need to keep these videos at about 5 minutes. We may go ahead and put the Osmo on, that way we can record much longer. We'll probably be using a combination of the Osmo Action 5 Pro, this Insta360 X5, the Samsung S26 Ultra, and the Samsung S22 Ultra. Let's see, here's that old cistern from down here. There's some holes in it. There's a larger hole around here on the side that you can actually get down in there to it unless they have sealed it off, which they may have done at some point, I don't know. Okay, let's turn this one off. We've gotten up to 6.5.